Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing good by the grace of Allah Almighty. Welcome to Geography class. We are studying environment of Pakistan. Paper code is 20592 and I am to your teacher Tuba. So let's start the class with the name of Allah. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So, natural topography chapter is going on, and we are studying about topographic regions of Pakistan. Is it? Good. So, today's topic is about Pothohar Plateau. Whatever topographic region we are studying, we must know its location. Okay. We must know its height, its specific other physical features. Okay. Its relief, its drainage system, and we must know about the economic potential of that region and the problems that is are the problems that are hurdles, okay, in the development of that region. So first, take a start with the location of Pothohar Plateau, that it is located in south of Islamabad between river Indus and river Jhelum. Okay, keep in mind that it is located in south of Islamabad between river Indus and river Jhelum, and it is open undulating land with extensive flat areas. Okay, undulating land is that is having a wavy like structure. Okay, and its height ranges is from 300 to 600 meters, and residual hills Kala Chitta and Khairi Murad, its and the height is 100 meters. Okay, and it this plateau is formed as a result of resistant rock left after erosion. Now you can see the location of Pothohar Plateau. This is the area where it is located in Punjab province, okay, and in south of Islamabad. And if we have resolution of this region, so here we can see Islamabad, okay, and when we move towards south of Islamabad, we found Pothohar Plateau, and here you can see salt range is also there. Okay, so both are found in which province? Punjab province. Good. So, some other information about Pothohar Plateau is that it is dissected and eroded by acted action of running water. Okay, and this land is termed as badland topography. Pothohar has varied landscapes due to continuous action of running water, and the ridges are found, formed, ravines, and troughs are found. Okay, and the most dominant feature is Son River over there, and it founds gullies and large alluvial plain used for agriculture. Now you know that plateau, whatever plateau is there, it's not having the peaks. Okay, the upper surface is plain, so this gives an opportunity for agriculture. Pothohar Plateau is rich in minerals like rock, gypsum, limestone, coal, and oil. You can see the real image of Pothohar Plateau, how it looks like. Now we will see the drainage features of Pothohar Plateau. As we have talked that due to the continuous action of running water, it forms ridges, ravines, okay, and troughs. So here we will have a look that how the ridges are formed, how they look like. Firstly, you can see in the picture that ridges and residual hills. Okay, uh, as I just told you that Pothohar Plateau is formed by the continuous erosion, by the leftover of residual hills. Okay, they rise up to 1200 meters due to constant erosion and deposition of residual hills made up of resistant rock are found. So this is how ridges are formed. Okay, these are the hard rock residuals, then ravines. Now, small rivers erode the land and take away the alluvium. During the rainy season, a feature common in most of the landscapes, how the ravines looks like. Okay, small rivers erode the land and take away the alluvium during the rainy season. Then uh, this narrow path is formed called as ravines. Then troughs. You can see how the troughs looks like. Soft rocks eroded by water and wind create troughs and depression. Like rocks were there on the land, they were eroded due to wind and water, and such kind of deep surface is formed. This is called trough. Then dissected and faulted land. You can see the faults over there in the land showing cracks. The cracks are faults due to the uplift of the northern mountains during the mountain building process. Okay, so why the faults are formed here in Portugal Plateau? Due to the formation of northern mountains. Deep ravines in less resistant rocks. Running water excavates deep ravines in less resistant rock. So again, ravines are formed, but they are a little bit deep due to the less resistant rock. They are not the rocks that are not resisting the flowing of water and not resisting the erosion. That's why the deep ravines are formed here. So these are the five topographical features of and drainage features of Potohar Plateau. Next, we'll talk about salt range. We know about Keora, is it? Have you ever visited that? Okay, so we are talking about that mountain range which covers most of Jhelum, Chakwal, Kalabagh, and Miawali district. This is the salt range. Okay, it covers all these districts. Then it is also known as salt range because salt mines at Kyora are found there, and Kyora is a small town at 160 kilometers from Islamabad. Okay, and what is the distance of Kyora from Sargodha? Have you ever visited? Okay, it's almost about 110 kilometers. Clear? Okay, average height of these parallel ranges is 750 to 900 meters, not so high. Highest peak is Kesar, and its height is 1,527 meters. These ranges are badly faulted and eroded by river. And Kalarkahar and Kabeki Lake are prominent figures of salt range, rich in minerals like rock salt, gypsum, and limestone. So, this is how salt range looks like in real. Economic activity and lifestyle of Potohar Plateau is that uh, both are rich in non-metallic minerals such as limestone, marble, rock salt, clays, dolomite, and soapstone. And these minerals are used as raw materials to for cement, ceramics, and chemical industries. This is how both these topographic regions are important. They are running the industries. Okay. Now, some of the oil. Some type of oil is also found there in Potohar Plateau. So for the refining of that plateau, because that was not usable for human due to its pungent smell, so it should be refined. Attak Oil Refinery is found there to refine that oil. And then farming depends on rainfall because rugged landscape does not allow for canal irrigation. Clear? So that's why farming in Potohar Plateau is depending on rainfall only. If rainfall is not there, agriculture is very difficult at that time. Wheat, maize, barley, and gram are cultivated there. Topographic region is really a productive region, and it's also a developed region because because roads, rail, and air transport is accessible, and the urban settlements like Jhelum, Chakwal, Rawalpindi, Islamabad are developed, encouraging high population density. Okay, so Potohar Plateau is earning a lot because it is developed and it is having problems as well, but still it is developed other than plateaus, other plateaus. Thank you so much. Jazakallah al khair.